Symbol lesson for you by Tech Sure, and I'm going to show you how it's done just from the intro and into the song. So I'm going to start now. It's in the key of B flat, so this is the key. Okay, B flat. So now the intro starts with 1 to 5. Down to 6. So 2, 3, 6, and then 5, 4, 3, 2, 5. See that? And then that's the intro. So I'm going to do it again slowly. So, we're now in the verse. That goes to 5. So 1, and it goes to 5. Goes down to 1. And then the chorus now. On 1, goes to 4, 5, 1. That's very easy. It's very generic. You guys can play that easily. So basically, I mean, that's the whole song. So if you're in the key of F sharp, so that's the intro. So you go 5/5. Back to 1. That verse, I don't really know the words, but it's a very easy. You can get that part without any difficulty. So that's it. That's the song, guys. Make sure you slow down the video wherever you're not sure of. And peace. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.